So how did Hector do the shopping? Aha! Hector ordered 10 melons instead of 10 lemons. Oh, an easy mistake. He did try.
Yes, he did try.
What about the eggs?
Okay, eggs. You buy a dozen eggs, yeah?
Yep, a dozen is 10.
A dozen is 12, stupid.
I know.
Well, Hector has put the number 12 here.
Well, that's okay. That's one box.
No, he ordered 12 boxes.
144.
Now, dog food.
I can't wait.
Okay, I'm ready.
We're ready.
Enter!
Do you like it? Well,
I like the shirt.
I like the sarong.
I like the shoes.
so, am I cool? No, I'm not cool.
No.
So, I will go shopping.
Here we go again. Hector, you can't go out there on your own. You went shopping on the internet.
Yes.
You ordered melons instead of lemons. And too many eggs. Have you ever been to a supermarket?
No, my
Who are these?
my
Servants.
yeah, my servants.
Servants. Now I understand.
Come on, Hector. I will teach you how to shop, Hector.
Till you drop. Bridget and I will be the shopkeepers.
And you are our customer.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can I help you, sir?
Yeah?
What would you like to buy?
Oh, I would like some.
Clothes.
Yes, I would like some clothes, please.
What size?
Huh?
What, size?
I don't know.
I'll have to measure you then. Arms up, please.
Huh?
Arms up, please.
Oh, arms up, please.
Chest. Ooh, 112 centimeters.
Chest 112 centimeters.
And waist, 82 centimeters.
Waist 82 centimeters.
And leg.
I'll do that.
No, it's okay.
No, I shall do that. 87 centimeters.
Now, do you like these trousers?
Do you like this shirt?
Yes.
Good. That's, £5,000, please.
Okay.
No, Hector. £5,000 is $8,000.
Yeah.
It's too much. It's too expensive.
Not for Hector.
So, I am ready to go shopping.
Good luck.
Yeah, good luck.
You'll need it.
Where's my lemon drink, Nick?
Nick, are there any more tissues?
All right, I'm coming as fast as I can. Okay.
Oh, I feel
too. Nothing will make me feel better. Oh, can you get that, please, Nick?
It's only Hector.
Well, is it cool?
Wow, man. Well done, you look great.
I would like a shirt, please.
Excellent. Oh, the clothes are super.
And a pair of trousers.
Oh, you are clever, Hector.
And a pair of shoes, please. I have been shopping.
Oh, I'll get it. Hello?
It's me.
Oh, hello. It's the tarantula. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Good, good.
How's your cold?
How's my cold? How do you know I have a cold?
You told me this morning.
Me? I am Richard.
I don't believe you.
Yes, I have a cold. A shoot.
Oh, I'm
thank
sorry.
you. A shoot.
Yes, silly me. I told you this morning.
Why are 400 tins of dog food here for Annie?
Pardon? I don't know. How strange.
400 tins.
Yes, that's a lot of tins. Well, I really don't know.
Can you ask Annie?
Yes, I'll ask Annie. Goodbye. The tarantula said, why have 400 tins of dog food downstairs?
400 tins?